In this video, I'm going to show you the safest and most profitable way to use crypto without risking your money. Purchasing in-game content with cryptocurrency is one of the easiest and safest ways to use your digital assets. Bypassing the need for a credit card or third-party payment processor, you can quickly and easily pay for in-game items, skins, upgrades, and more. Best of all, because blockchain technology is used to process the payments, there is no risk of fraudulent activities or chargebacks. So why not start using cryptocurrency to power your favorite video games? Here are a few of our favorite ways to do just that. 1. Use crypto to buy in-game items and upgrades directly from the game developer or publisher. Many developers and publishers now accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment for in-game items and content. So if you're looking to buy that new sword skin or level up your character, you can use digital assets to make the purchase directly from the source. This not only supports the game developers but also allows you to get your hands on the latest content as soon as it's released. 2. Use crypto to purchase game keys from authorized resellers. If you don't want to spend your hard-earned cryptocurrency directly on in-game items, you can also use it to buy game keys from authorized resellers. This way, you can get your hands on new games and content without having to spend fiat currency. Simply find a reputable game key reseller that accepts cryptocurrency, purchase the keys you want, and then redeem them on your desired gaming platform. It's that easy. 3. Use crypto to donate directly to your favorite streamers and content creators. If you're a fan of Twitch, YouTube, or any other streaming platform, you can use cryptocurrency to support your favorite content creators. Many streamers and YouTubers now accept digital payments as a way of receiving donations from their fans. So if you want to show your appreciation for someone's work, consider sending them a few dollars, or Satoshi worth of cryptocurrency. 4. Use crypto to purchase game-related merchandise from online stores. If you're a fan of video games, there's a good chance you're also a fan of the associated merchandise. Why not use your cryptocurrency to buy some cool gear? There are now many online stores that accept digital payments for game-related merchandise. So whether you're in the market for a new shirt, a hat, or some other type of gear, you can use your crypto to make the purchase. 5. Use crypto to pay for gaming-related subscriptions and services. If you're a hardcore gamer, you probably need a good gaming PC, a high-speed internet connection, and perhaps even a dedicated gaming console. Why not use your cryptocurrency to pay for these things? There are now many online stores and services that accept crypto payments for gaming-related subscriptions and services. So whether you're in the market for a new game or just want to upgrade your internet service, you can use digital assets to make the purchase. These are just a few of the many ways you can use cryptocurrency to power your video gaming experience. So what are you waiting for? Start using crypto today.